SpaceX is preparing for the largest IPO in history with a market cap valuation of $1.7 trillion that would make it the 8th largest company in the world. As an investor, the big question is this an opportunity to make it big or lose a lot of money? Let's find out. All right, let's get to it. How does SpaceX make money? Well, there are three main divisions. The first one would be Starlink. Starlink has about 10 million reoccurring subscribers. You have to pay for a hardware kit that's between $350 and about $500. And then their subscription ranges between about $55 on up to about $175 a month. Fantastic business model. In fact, it's the only part of the business that's profitable. We'll talk more about that in a minute. The second division would be the launch and transportation services. So they call it commercial payloads, where there are private companies, telecommunication firms, and research institutions that pay SpaceX to launch satellites into space. Now, another part of this business that makes money would be their space tourism and private flights. So get this, you can pay somewhere around $55 million for a flight into space, but you can get a discount if you also launch a satellite into space. So I guess a bundled deal for launching a satellite and taking a trip into space. Cool. All right, moving on. Next up, they have the government and military contracts. So NASA pays SpaceX to launch supplies and people to the International Space Station. And then the Department of Defense and Space Force, they pay SpaceX to launch classified strategic national payloads into space, whatever that means. All right, the latest news. Here's the good and bad for investors. First off, Google and SpaceX, there's a massive contract deal here. Google will pay SpaceX $929 million a month for access to massive computing power. Roughly, get this, 110,000 NVIDIA GPUs. And that's a major deal that will go from October 26th through June of 2029. So some nice reoccurring revenue coming SpaceX's way. Then this is the bad, which is SpaceX is not profitable. The only profitable division, like I mentioned earlier, is Starlink. And here are the losses. So Rockets has lost $657 million last year, and AI lost $6.35 billion. So this company most likely will not be profitable for a while. So at this point, there are really two options for investors. You can let FOMO sink in and you can invest, or you can sit on the sidelines. Here are the facts with IPOs. Only 25% of IPO stocks are profitable. So what that means is there are companies that will go public, share price will take off like a rocket, you have your first earnings report within about 3 months, and then the share price will fall off a cliff. The reason is the company's not profitable, and in most cases, they can miss their earnings estimates. So here's what could happen with SpaceX, high probability. This share price is going to take off like a rocket, no pun intended, and there's going to be a lot of people piling in, and they're going to be committed to this for the long term. I'd be very careful on that. What we'll see is that share price take off, first earnings report within 3 months. And like I said, their EPS is going to be negative. High probability is going to be negative, and they could miss their earnings estimate, and that share price could fall off a cliff. So if this share price goes from, let's say, 135, which is their target IPO price, let's say it goes up to 150, 160, 170, maybe even 200. That'd be crazy. When that next earnings call happens, that share price can fall back down to 135, 100, 75, maybe even lower. I've seen a lot worse play out. So I'd say to investors, just be very careful with this stock. Again, a lot of hype, a lot of FOMO. I will not be touching this stock. I'll sit on the sidelines, see what happens. Now, I have to say this, since Starlink is highly profitable, I probably would have said, hey, let's spin out Starlink as its own entity and let's go public with that. That would make a lot of money. And since it's already profitable, that would probably sustain for the long term, create a nice, consistent stock that's making investors a lot of money. But SpaceX in general, I do not see it playing out as a highly lucrative investment, at least not at this time. I'd love to hear what you have to say. What do you think is going to happen after SpaceX goes public? If you stay to the end, thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Now, if you want to find some strong, reliable stocks that can make consistent returns, I invite you to join Tykr for free. Simply go to tykr.com and click on Start My Free Trial. Of course, don't buy and sell stocks based solely on what you hear. Only buy and sell stocks that align with your own personal financial goals. Thanks for checking out this video. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.